Hello student, the question from Coding and Decoding asked in Police Constable 2018, and this type of the question asked in a placement also. So one of the code language, butter is coded as PXWWHU. So first we write the code of this butter letter and this coded word. So B is 2, U 21, 20, 25 and 18. P is 5, 24, here it is 23, 23, 8 and 21. So you can easily check this 2 become 5, 18 become 21, 21 become 24, 20 become 23, 20 become 23, 5 become 8. It means plus 3 happened every time. Plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. It means that you can say the plus 3 logic is there. So we have to find the code for this earth. So E is 5, so 5 plus 3 is 8, and the code for 8 is H. It means this option is eliminated, this option is eliminated. So D is same, so we check the third option. R is 18, and 18 plus 3 is 21, and 21 is U. It means first letter is H and third letter is U. It means we are go with the third option. So third option is correct for this question. No need to find the next two because we already find the logic in that question. I think it is clear to everyone. Thank you.